How to fix Realme GT7 connected without internet. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your router. After restart your router, then open your settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option sounds and vibration. Now click on it and then click on do not disturb. Now here you can check your do not disturb. If you turn on your do not disturb, then turn it off. After turn off your do not disturb, then go back to the main page of your settings and scroll down and click on system and update. Now click on backup and reset and click on reset phone. On top you can see the option reset network and Bluetooth settings. Now click on it. Now enter your password to reset your network settings. After reset your network settings, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.